name's Ryan. I'm 16 and I did something last year that I regret, and it's changed my life forever. I messed about with fireworks. When I got to the hospital, they took the bandages off that they first put on when I was at home, and after I could see all the dried blood and it wasn't very pretty at all. You could definitely tell my finger was broken because it was bent further back than it should have been. The tip of the finger was gone, you could see the bone sticking out, and my middle finger was ripped open. I was in hospital for 5 days. In that time, I had 2 x-rays to make sure that the bones were all aligned and healing. I had 1 big major operation to reconstruct my finger, and I lost a couple of tendons, so I won't have full use of my hand ever again. When it started to sink in a bit more, after the pain started to kick in a bit, I realised just how serious it was. The tendons had snapped, the bones broken, and the tip of my finger being missing. My mum was quite stressed at the time. She just had a baby only a few weeks before, and I already had a younger brother, and me doing this hasn't actually helped. I feel frustrated and sometimes snapped at her. It wasn't her fault or anything, but I just wanted to be as independent as I could be. But it was impossible. I couldn't shower, do my hair, brush my teeth, or use my phone, or play games or anything like that. It wasn't until then I realised the impact it would have been on the whole family. I couldn't tie my shoes, get into my school uniform. The cast was too big. I had to have it on my arm and protect my hand. I had to have 9 months of intense physio to try and get my fingers working again. The scars have healed, but the pain is always going to be there. I have half a finger missing, the tip of the other one is gone, and no feeling in 3 of my fingers. I lost a little bit of my hearing as well from the noise of the firework, as it was so close to me. My girlfriend was with me at the time in my bedroom, and I tried to protect her from the firework as much as I could.